very happy to have you all for this webinar. I hope this webinar will give you insights about how to trade CFDs, how to do online trading, and I hope it will give you a better idea and understanding about trading in general. Just to start with, we will cover the agenda for today, which is, so I'll give you an introduction about CPT, what we do. Just to give you a brief introduction, we are an international financial brokerage firm, and we give access to trade FX, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies from one single platform. So the best part is you have access to the global financial markets at your fingertips. We have mobile app, we have a desktop app as well, so you can trade 24 hours from wherever you want, wherever you are. Then I also have with me Pakiraj, who is a premium client manager. He will take you through introduction to CFDs, how to do online trading, the different asset classes, what we offer. And then we have Yusuf, who will take you through the actual trading platform, where he will explain you how to navigate the platform, how to use different tools, indicators, some charts. He will also place some live trades for you, so you get a real hand experience of how exactly trading works. If you have any questions in between the seminar, in between the webinar, please, you can raise your hand or you can message us. But at the end of the seminar, I will open all for the Q&A session. But in between, even if you have any questions, feel free to just message on Zoom. So before we start, I would just like to get an idea about the audience, what we have. So I want to just start a poll where I want to know, how long have you been trading? So now I believe you can see 3 options. So the first option is 0 to 6 months. Second is 1 to 2 years. The third is more than 2 years. Okay. Yeah, we're just waiting for a few more participants to, okay. It's a decent mix as of now. Yeah, I think we just have 2 more who have not yet polled. Okay. Okay, perfect. So what I see is we have around 40%. I'll just share with you the results as well. 40% of the participant are beginners, which is good, because this is like the webinar, especially what we've designed is for beginners, where we will take you through the basics of online trading, basics of CFDs, how to use the platform. So we will cover all these things. We also have advanced sessions. So like last week, we had a session on technical analysis and technical indicators, where we covered what is technical analysis, chart patterns, support, resistance, how to use different indicators on the MT4 platform. So we covered that. And we will have, of course, again, next week onwards, advanced sessions covering different topics as well. I would just like to show you a short video about
Thanks
CPT.
to technology, it is now easier than ever to access the global financial markets. For example, at CPT International, we can onboard clients in less than 2 minutes. But with thousands of accounts opened every day by thousands of brokers worldwide, how many clients are really getting the support they deserve? That's why at CPT International, we do things differently. By focusing on building relationships, we empower IBs to better approach and maintain their clients, and provide our traders with customized support to fulfill their trading needs. We believe the future belongs to an integrated and transparent trading experience. For partners, we offer $10 per lot with no minimum requirements. And for traders, we offer zero commission trading with no minimum deposit, along with premium client care, exclusive market insight tools, and rewards at every turn. Want to be part of the most rewarding trading experience? Open an account today with CPT International.
So this is what we believe in. You will of course meet a lot of brokers, online brokers. You can just go online, and there are thousands and thousands of brokers. You can open an account, but what differs us, or what is our unique specialty, is what actually happens after you open an account. So what we believe in, we want to build relationships with our clients, with our partners, with our IBs. That's the main key difference, I would say, if you compare CPT with any other broker, because we want to give you, of course, a 24-hour customer support, but on top of that, we have, as I mentioned before, we have premium client managers, who will, of course, assist you and guide you in your journey. We have these webinars. We are also going to launch seminars now. We had stopped because, of course, of COVID reasons, but now we're going to start face-to-face seminars because we are based here in Dubai, in our offices in Dubai. So we like to do things a bit differently compared to other brokers. And we want ourselves and the client to go hand in hand, because we think it's going to be like a long-term partnership, a long-term relationship, not just open an account and then people, like the broker, forgets about the client. So that's what our main focus is. Now I will pass it on to Pakiraj. He would just take you through to the basics of CFD trading. What is CFD trading? And over to you, Pakiraj.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Thanks, Vigas. I am Bakiraj. I am the client relationship manager. I am going to be covered today topic for the what is a CFD? CFD, how it's going to be help our trading in the future in the market, and what are the advantages and things is there for the CFD. We can compare further over the stocks, stock market, when we are trading for the directly in the exchanges, and when we are trading in the CFD, what are the benefits we are going to be cover in the section I'm going to be cover. First, what is a CFD? CFD, how it's work actually. DFC, there is CFDs trading. There is no difference when we are trading in the stock market directly in the exchange. And here we are going to be trading for the underlying asset. And in the single window platform, we are going to cover for the multiple products, commodities, currencies, indices, and US stocks actually, and we can cover for the cryptocurrencies. These are all the things single window platform we can cover for the CFD trading, and we can go for the highly leverage or very less leverage, or we can use for the depends upon the trading style. We can use for the high leverages and all. And everybody's having the question actually. When I am trading in the stock market, they got a lot of things is there. But when I am trading in the CFD, really safe to trade in the CFD? Yes, of course. Actually, there is the CFD trading. And we can able to be trade for the multiple product, and we can take for the small risk, and if we want we can take for the big risks actually. And whatever the way, all option is there. We can design our portfolio, or we can design our trading actually, and we can trade in the CFD. And the CFD give for the time frame actually 24 hours. Even the real stock market, we go the time period actually next day morning open, they go the peak cap and all. But when we are trading in the stock market, CFD trading, they got the 24 hours. We can keep our stop losses, and we can run our take profit is the 24 hours. Any market fluctuation, we can control our trade. And the trades, there is no condition for the trade. We can keep it the trade. Today we can open. Even if we feel after 10 minutes we want to be closed, we can close our transactions actually. And here the screen mainly showing for the what is the difference between the CFD trading and the share trading actually. In the CFD trading, normally we got the variety of product in the earlier I mentioned the variety of product actually. It's mentioned in the different like shares, indices, forex, and commodities. But when we are trading in the stock market, or there is an exchange, there you are in the only mainly we can able to trade for the shares and commodities. They go the time frame actually. And here CFD trading, we can use for the high leverages like 1:100, 1:200, even 1:500. Who's want to be the more trader actually, they can use for the 1:500 and all. Basically, we are recommending for the 1:100 is a good leverage to be the trade for the long term. And but when we are buying for the share trading, we got to use for the 100% of our money, and we can hold for the longer period for the trading. And in the CFD trading, we got to go for the short and long. If you feed the market looking to the go down, actually we can go for the short positions, and market we looking for the upside, we can go for the long position. In the CFD trading, we got a lot of option to be used for to the trading. And here I am mentioning the simple calculation, how CFD trading work, how much I want to be spend the money, and how I can take in through the profit that particular trade. For example, when we are trying to buying the Opel stocks, suppose we want to buy for the 100 shares, the per share value for the $149. Suppose I am going to be investing the money in the real stock market. I need to be invest for the 100 share, $14,900 I go to invest, and I can buy for the 100 share of the Opel. But when we are trading for the CFD trading, we can use for the leverage. Even this is a leverage for the 1:10 ratio. We are paying for the 10% of the margin. That means I am paying only for the $1,490 to buy for the worthable of the 14,900 shares. This is I can hold for the n number of days, like 5 days, 10 days, even 1 month, 2 months. When reached my target, actually, then we are going to be book it for the profit. Even this example, I just mentioned the $10 movement, how our profit going to be impact in our account. Our investment, our total transaction value $14,900, and but our investment is $1,490. Here, if you $10 movement, I am going to make it for the $1,000 in the particular times. Here there is no time frames also, actually. Yeah. And in the calculation of our lot of products in the available in the our CPT website, we are mentioning clearly how the trade sizes we can take it comparatively for the MT4 platform, and we can calculate our trade sizes, even small trade or big trade sizes, and we can able to be do for the things. I am going to be show you the how we can calculate our trade sizes. Yeah, this is our websites, and a website showing for the lot of option to be the trade, and we can go for the trade option here available to be seen multiple products actually to the trade calculation. Suppose, for example, I am taking for the commodities. The commodities, they got the multiple commodities. I'm choosing for the gold, how it's going to be taken the trade. In the gold trading, I am using the currency for the dollar, and I am using the leverage for the 1:100. If I am going to be taking the standard lot size in the MT4 platform, that is in 100 ounce of gold, 100 ounce of gold, how it's going to be give the profit for the per moment. And this is a simply calculate for the margin calculator. We can able to be calculate if I am going to buy for the 100 ounce of gold, what is margin I want to be spent actually. And the same thing, I can going to be calculate for the profit calculator. In the profit calculator, just I can mention for the what is a quantity size I want to be do. And here we can mention for the what is our entry price and exit price. Suppose I am buying the gold 1780. I am selling the transaction 1790, and I can calculate what is my profit actually. This transaction we can calculate for the multiple products are available for the our website, the trade calculator. Any product, even crypto or commodities or currency, can go and check it for the things easy to understanding how I can able to be take the position, what is margin I want to be use. When you are free time, you can check it our website also. It will give the more informations, and we got the other information, what is the news, what is the market economic calendar. This all the things is available for the up to date in the our websites that can visit always and do the things. Thanks. Can stop saying.
Thanks, Pakiraj.
Thank you.
Thanks for showing us the basics of online trading about CFDs. Now it's time for one more poll. Of course, gold is a hot topic. We have the festive season coming. We see a lot of movement happening in gold in the past few weeks, and especially in the last couple of days. So where do you think gold prices are going? So let me launch one more poll. You know how I love these polls. So I would want to, just to get your view. Where do you think the price of gold is heading? Up, down, or there's no third option? Wow. So actually, all of you think that the price is going up, which is good to know. Amazing. So all of you have a bullish view on gold. So this is what, like how Raj was explaining about what exactly is a CFD, and the main difference between, let's say, if you want to take a position now on gold because you think the price is going to go up. So the other option what you have is you go to a jeweler or a gold shop and you buy physical gold. So for, let's say, 1 ounce, which is trading at the moment at around $1,780, you would need $1,780 to pay him and then take 1 ounce. Whereas with us, the benefit of trading this online is that, for example, you can, if your account is 1:100 leverage, you just need 1%, basically. So 1% margin is around $17. So you get the same amount. Let's say 1 ounce of gold, you can take a position with $17, compared to if you go to a physical shop, you need $1,780 for 1 ounce. So that's, just to give you a comparison between trading online CFDs with CPT, or going to a physical gold store and buying the actual gold. So what requires, to become a successful trader? As Raj as well briefly mentioned, what I believe is, you need these top 7 points for actually becoming a successful trader. Because if you just have a basic view that, okay, gold will go up, but then it's not that when you just click on buy and it starts going up, maybe it will go a few dollars down and then recover. So what we tell is you should have a trading plan. So of course, we run these webinars on different topics. We will have a webinar on risk management in future. We will have something specific on cryptos, as a lot of people are interested in cryptos. So basically, you need to build a trading plan. And that trading plan depends, of course, on the person you are. How much risk are you willing to take, the amount you would like to deposit, and because then that would determine the trading size, what you will trade, the lot size, as Raj was explaining. It also depends how much time can you give to trading. So for example, we have a lot of clients, because they are doing, let's say, the normal 9 to 6 job. They in the evening, they just trade in the evenings, which is, they just trade the US market. Whereas we have a few clients who are trading like completely intraday, and they have it on their phone, and whenever they have 5-10 minutes, they place a trade or they place an order. Of course, Yusuf will take you through the MT4 platform. The platform is pretty advanced now, so it's not that you have to be in front of the system 24 hours. You can put orders, you can put stop loss, take profit pending orders, and the platform will do its job. So you need to decide what kind of a trader you are, how much time can you give to the market. If you want to open a position now and hold it for a few weeks, so you're more of a medium term trader. If you're someone who just likes to go in and out, you're more like a day trader. So it depends on the view what you have in the market, how much time can you give to trading, and that's how you can define the trading strategy. It also implements that what kind of analysis you do. It's not that just because you have a feeling that gold will go up and you just buy gold. So that is not necessarily how it works. You might get lucky a few times, but if you want to be consistent and successful, you need to have some type of base or some type of analysis or some type of reason why you want to trade. Some people just overtrade. That is also a very big issue. If you're overtrading, you don't have control over your emotions. You're just trading for the sake of it. So you have to find the right opportunities in the market. So you can do what a lot of people do, and what we advise our clients is, to have a mix of fundamental analysis, which is basically keep always a watch on the news, what is happening in the market. So if you're trading gold, you always keep a watch on the US dollar. If you're trading stocks, some specific stocks, so you look at the company's earnings, if they have a new product coming, if there is a launch. And then also, to add to the fundamental side, you need a bit of, I would say, technical analysis. like some basic, indicators or chart patterns, or just to understand the support and resistance level, because you need to time the entry in the market. You can't just, anytime you wish to enter and you just enter the trade. That will not help you in long term. And then, of course, as I mentioned, you have to manage your risk. I think risk management is key in trading. So a lot of people, they forget about the risk management techniques like stop loss and limits, and they just trade blindly. And that is completely wrong type of approach. So if you want to be a long-term successful trader, or you want to, take this as a profession, risk management should be your top priority. And then, of course, the last point, it rightly says, you need to diversify your portfolio. So never just trade, for example, like some people, they just love to trade one specific product, let's say gold or oil. So it's not necessary that a specific product will have an opportunity every day. So you need to diversify your portfolio. So that's why what we do is we give you access to all the different asset classes. So that, as I said, you can trade commodities, indices, you can trade individual stocks, you can trade cryptos, you can trade currency. So there's always opportunity in any one of these asset classes, and you can actually diversify your portfolio in a much better way. Just to show you how easy it is to open an account with CFD. So you saw how easy it is to set up an account. It just takes a couple of minutes. And we don't want you to waste a lot of time on the application process. So we have kept it very simple and kind of automated. So all you have to do is just log into cptinternational.com. You go on the sign up page. You fill the basic form as you saw in the video, and you will be asked to upload your KYC documents. Depends on the country where you're residing. So mostly it is, let's say, the national ID where you're residing, or your passport, and that's it. Your account is up and running. We have different payment methods you can fund through. So you can use debit card, credit card. You can do, if you're in India, we have local net banking solutions. Or you can fund through Perfect Money or different wallets, what we provide. And the last poll for today, and then we'll directly go on the platform, is which product are you exactly interested in trading? So it will be good to know what you guys would like to trade. So I've just launched the poll. Do you like to trade gold, like to trade cryptos, Forex, stocks? Because this will also give us a better understanding of, let's say, the next webinar, what we want to keep. Okay, it's a mix. Okay, so I think it's, okay, so nobody wants to trade cryptos. I see. So all I can see is equal amount of people want to trade gold, stocks, and Forex is 25%. Fair enough. So let's directly go on the platform now. I would like to introduce you to Yusuf. He's our premium client manager, and he will take you through to the MT4 trading platform. Over to you, Yusuf.
Thank you, Vikas. Good evening to all. Thank you for attending the webinar. My name is Yusuf. I'll take you through the life cycle of the trading, and this is the most exciting part because this is how the actual trades happen in the market. I'll share my screen and then we can see the platform. Okay. Hope you all are able to see my screen now. Okay, perfect. See, the software which I recently opened, it's called MetaTrader 4. This is a most used software across the world in all the countries, and it is very simple. Don't get afraid with the layout and number of buttons, but I'll give you a very simple and systematic way of utilizing this application, and believe me, it's very simple. I'll take you through each of the components to make you understand the things in a better way. Okay, so the first component is the market watch, which is on the left hand side top corner, this one. In this market watch, you can right click and click on show all. It will show all the symbols what the company is offering, whether it's a currency, commodity, stocks, indices, cryptos, everything. And based on the name, you can select what you want to trade, or you want to see any chart, or just want to do an analysis, or even just to check the prices. So here it is. Okay, and the second one is the chart, which is right open, but I'll show you how we open the chart. It is again like you can click on any of the symbol. For example, say Euro USD, you go to right click and click chart window. It will open the chart for you. Now in the chart you can see the trend line, how the prices of gold are running and it's trending. Now, on the top of this, where my cursor is, you can see something written as M1, M5, M15, M30. This is nothing but minutes. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So basically a trader or a person like who is trading, he wants to analyze the price, he wants to predict the price and how the markets are behaving, or how the markets will perform later on. So it can be reviewed from the chart pattern and some basic analysis. So every trader has its own pattern to analyze. Someone will use M1 if he's a high frequency scalping trader, and he like for 10 cents 15 cents he wants to close the profit quickly. They will go for 1 minute to 5 minute charts, where a long-term trader or a say mid-term trader who would like to hold the position for minimum 1 day to 1 week, or might be 1 month, they usually prefer 30 minutes to 1 hour graph to make an analysis of the product. So the detail of the technical analysis we will cover in our next webinar. So I'll take you straight away how the trading happens right now. So as most of the people you are interested in gold, I'll take an example of gold. It will be very relevant and you will enjoy. Say it's the gold symbol of the gold is XAU USD. It's a technical symbol, and in our general terms we can say it as a gold. Just right click. Okay, the first one, new order, just click onto it. A screen will get open, and here you can see the name of the symbol, spot gold, technical name XAU USD, the volume. Now in MetaTrader, to keep the things simple and more efficient, they have used decimals in place of actual whole numbers. For example, you want to write 100,000. Instead of 100,000, just write 1.00. That denotes as a standard lot in MetaTrader. So accordingly, the lowest minimum starts from 0.01, which is in terms of currency, we say 1000, and maximum as a standard lot, it goes to 1, which is 100,000. The same is applied for gold. In gold, 1 stands as a standard lot, and the quantity which is inputted in one standard lot for gold is 100 ounce. Same way, minimum gold we can start from 0.01, which is 1 ounce of gold. Let me remind you, in gold, this international market trading, we are using the ounce, not grams or kgs. And to convert, you can approximately say 1 ounce of gold is equal to 32 grams of gold. Okay, Now I'll input a quantity 0.01, which is the least quantity for gold. And then we come ahead. Right now, the price on the screen, you can see 1782 and 1783. This is the price for buy and sell. And the type of the transaction, we have couple of types, like it's a market execution. That means you want to execute the order at the same price prevailing in the market. So first I'll go through it, and I will go for market execution. And as the gold stands strong right now and the trend is positive, we'll go for buy market. That's it. One click and the transaction is done. There are no recodes, no slippage, nothing. Whatever price you see on the screen, the same price is given to you. So it's more transparent as compared to anyone else. Now, here, what you can see in a row, that comes your order number, the time, exact time and date, what you punched your order, the transaction, which is a buy or sell, the size, the symbol, the price, and SL and TP. SL and TP is very important thing. SL means a stop loss, TP means a take profit. And after that, there is a price, which is a current price in the market. Okay. So you can use stop loss and take profit at the time of making an order, or you can later on add by just you can right click and go modify or delete order. Right here, you can put the stop loss. Say I'll put 17, for example, 80 as a stop loss, and 1784 as a take profit, and click here. Immediately both the levels are updated. Now you can rest assured, even if you sleep or you go for a play, the system will work on its own. If the price drops to 1780, the system will close your transaction in loss. And if it goes to 1784, it will close in profit. So this is very simple. You anticipate where the market is going and you trade, make the profit, withdraw. So this is relatively very simple. This is the same thing we are doing in a practical life. To remind you, see, our father and mother, like way back, I'm telling you, like 10-20 years before, they used to buy physical gold. If the prices are down, they'll go to the jeweler, buy some gold, keep it in home. Then the price increase, you sell the gold bars, you and catch the profit. This is the same way of doing it. The only difference is this is digital, more secure, less money is required compared to physical trading, because we are giving you a leverage. Leverage is nothing but a margin which is given to you. Like, let's say in gold, it is 1:500. That means whatever is your transaction cost, you are paying only 0.20. For example, you are buying worth $100, but you are just paying 20 cents to buy a product worth $100. So this kind of flexibility you will never get in the market, and the returns are instant as compared to any other form of trading, right? So this is our first kind of transaction. Now I'll go for the second one, which is like, say, a pending order. We'll go to right click on the market watch to the symbol and click on the new order. The things will open. Now the market execution and pending order. We'll select pending order this time. Pending order has 4 parts: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Now, buy limit means you want to purchase something below the market price. Okay, so if the market price, current price, is going 1782.72, you don't want to purchase at this price. You think that the price will drop to, say, 75, then only you want to purchase, otherwise you don't want to purchase. So for that kind of traders, you need to select buy limit, and just you need to put your price here, whatever desired price you want to put. The next is sell limit. Sell limit means, suppose you have sold or you want to sell something at a futuristic price, but you don't want to sell at the current price. You want to sell at still higher price. Like, for example, right now the price is 1782. You think that, oh yeah, gold will go to 1788, and if it is not crossing 1788, which is a main pivot level, it will drop back for sure. You want to take that profit. So what you will do, you will put a advance order on sell limit with 1788. So when the price will reach 1788, which is above the current sell price, then your trade will get executed. Now the same way, there is a buy stop and sell stop. It is just exactly opposite of the limit orders. Buy stop means you want to buy something in the flow of market. That means higher than the market price, correct? So right now the price stands at 1783, and you want to buy, but you just want to make sure that once you buy, the market should be flowing upwards only. You don't want to take a risk, so you will go for a buy stop order and you will place an order at 85. Right now the price is 83, but you will price at 85, because what you think, if the price cross 84 or something, 85, then it will definitely go up only. So I want to buy something in a flowing market. So this is where you will use buy stop. And the same goes for the sell stop. Sell stop you will use when the prices of the product is diminishing. It is coming down. Right now the price is 83.25 for gold, 1783.25, and you want to buy, you want to sell only when the price is like say 1778. So you want to be 100% sure that you are selling something in a perfect sell trend. So these are the four types of order which we can use as a pending order type, and we can make some good amount of out of it. Okay. So in case of pending order, you have two things, like you can put the stop loss and take profit. As I told earlier, during the market execution, you can place while placing the order, or you can place after placing the order, whatever is convenient and comfortable to you. But please be reminded that these are the very important features, because if you trade without stop loss and without take profit, the liability is unlimited, because it might happen that the trade prices go against you and it keeps on going because you have not placed any stop loss. So losses are unlimited. At the same time, on the profit side, if you have not placed a profit limit, it might happen the prices will go at your desired level and it will come back also, but at that time you are not watching the screen, so you will miss that profit. So it is ideally essential, but still it depends upon trader to trader if they want to use or not. But yes, there is a system which can make you free. So that's it. Like this is the overall trading scenario. Here you can have your account history and different tabs where you can have your mailbox, markets, signals, and many things, because this is a very advanced software where we allow copy trading, auto trading, and all those stuff. So without, in case just you don't have any knowledge and you still want to trade, still want to invest and get good returns, you can simply go for a copy trading. It's a very good practice, and you are free, and you can make good money out of it. In case you all have any questions or queries, I'll be waiting for your questions in the Q&A session. Do let me know in case you understood or you want to know something much more in detail. We can go through, not an issue, right? Over to you, Vikas.
Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you for explaining us the platform, taking us through that. I hope it was a good one for you guys. Do we have any questions? Now is the time. Anyone, any questions? Okay, no, we don't have a minimum amount. You can start with any amount you're okay with. There is no minimum deposit. There is no limitations on withdrawals as well. So whatever amount you're okay with, you can deposit and withdraw anytime. And it is free to set up the account. There is no account opening charges or account maintenance charges. Any other questions? Okay, then. Thank you so much, guys. We will keep you posted regarding the seminar schedule for next month. And we'll let you know about the different topics, what we want to cover. If you have any suggestions, any topics you want us to cover, feel free to reach us. And we are very happy to address those questions. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for attending the session and have a nice evening.